Today I'll show you how to start a finance YouTube channel, even if you don't understand finance or speak perfect English. This niche pays insanely well. Even 10,000 views can make over $200. But here's the real challenge. In finance, it's not about visuals or voiceovers. It's about storytelling and the script, because people come to learn about money. So the big question is, how can you still create trusted finance videos even if you're a beginner? The answer is simple, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, look at this channel called Nick Invest. Look at their views. Look at their subscribers. And if I even show you their channel analytics, you still wouldn't believe it. If I say this channel is running only because of its script, you might not trust me. So let me play one of their videos at 2x speed. See it yourself. They are using very simple visuals. They are just joining basic clips together. The only thing that's strong is the script. Now, in the same way, look at the Bob Invest YouTube channel. Check their views and their subscribers. This channel was created very recently, and if I play one of their videos at 2x speed, you'll clearly see that it's just simple images with the right information added. They are only using zoom in and zoom out effects. So by now, you must have understood one thing. In this niche, the script is king. First, we will open a popular video from the Nick Invest channel. Then we will go to Show Transcript and click on Toggle Transcript on the side. After that, we will copy the entire script from there. Next, we will come to ChatGPT and paste that script. Along with it, we will also paste the prompt that I've shared in the description. ChatGPT will then give us 5 best ideas. I personally like the third one, so I will type Create number 3. Now you can see that ChatGPT has given us the script broken down step by step. After that, we will open Whisk. On the side, you can see the subject option, where you can either describe a subject directly or upload an image. We are doing this for character consistency. Now, you need to copy the second prompt given in the description and paste it into ChatGPT. ChatGPT will generate a nice image for you, just like you can see here. Then we will download that image and upload it into the subject box in Whisk. Next, we will come back to ChatGPT and copy prompt number 1. Along with that, we will also copy the third prompt from the description. We will paste both of them into Whisk, choose the size, and generate the image. And look at how perfectly Whisk has created the image. We will follow the same process for the entire script, and this way you will get all your images. I am only doing 2 here just to show you the process. Once all the images are ready, we will download them. After that, we will again use ChatGPT to prepare the voiceover script. We will copy that script and go to Google AI Studio. There, we will select Text to Speech and click on Single Voice. We will choose a voice we like and add a few style settings, like a motivational teaching style. Then we will paste the script and click Run. Once our voice is ready, we will download it. Now, editing is very simple. Just place the voiceover and images on the timeline, add captions and a simple effect, and your video is ready. For more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.
Others
Bye.
say,
Take care.
Don't invest a single dollar until you've built a full emergency fund. Here's the